everyone, welcome back to the Online Health Guide. I'll be guiding you on how to delete an Instagram story in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Open your story. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Here there are many options. Tap on Delete to delete the story. Tap on Delete again to confirm. And that is how to delete your Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.